It's rare nowadays to come across products which are actually natural completely.
Yeah.
And I think I've been using it for over a year now. It's been over a year, nearly 15 months. And the difference it's made is palpable. I mean, everywhere I go, I'm told like, actually your skin is glowing. What are you using? It's beautiful. Love them.
I've developed so much confidence in my skin that I now prefer bare skin over makeup. In fact, I prefer the natural radiance of my skin over a done up face. And that is the biggest testimony to the success of the Nature Mill. Also, my husband is a fan too now. He loves pampering his skin with my Nature Mill products just as much as I do. Products are truly all natural. There are no bases, no fragrances, no extracts.
Sir, आपके ना actually सर पे बाल आने शुरू हो गए. Took a photograph of that and then showed it to me on camera and said, look, this is what is coming up.
A drop or two of this, it beautifully goes in and blends into your skin. I'm presently using the almond saffron serum oil. It goes beautifully into the skin.
I am addicted now. It's been, been amazing for my face. I not only now use those creams, I also use the hair oil, which works. And you know what? I mean, not only have I converted friends to this now, I've also converted my doggos to it. I mean, they use some of Nature Mill's products as well. So I think Nature Mill, and I've used so many other products. For me, Nature Mill is purity and the fact that I can trust that when they say it's Mamra, almond or 5-nuts, they've literally taken those 5 nuts from somewhere and mixed that into the product which I'm using. So purity and I think trust is what I go to Nature Mill for.
I've been using hibiscus rosemary for the last 7 months, and I've got lovely hair now. As a little girl, I hardly had hair, and then as I grew older, I had a lot of back patches. You could see my skull, and now I don't find any parts where I could see my skull. So I really love this oil. It's a miracle.
I never used makeup in my life, so I always run for the organic things. And now, right now, I'm 63-year-old. I've used Nature Mill, so I found it excellent. And above all, I got a compliment from my friends at this age that my skin is glowing, which is very surprising for me. About the product, I should say it's excellent because I find it very addictive. Now I cannot go for any other but this Nature Mill.
I also really like the rosemary oil, the hibiscus.
That is making a difference.
Yeah, it's made like
Yeah.
post-pandemic hair loss.
Post-pandemic
is
hair
real.
loss,
And
seriously?
that's really,
Your baby hair started coming out with that rosemary.
Use a little bit of that hibiscus oil here, just at my part, and that's really helped because I think we got every flavor of COVID.
Yeah.
Thanks to you guys, we got every single flavor. But I really like this oil, and
I will started using
Yeah,
that.
yeah,
it's
it's really
making a
helped.
difference. It's making a
really,
difference.
really helps.
It was really a boon because it's very easy for oily skin to start looking very, very greasy. But with this cream, the grease just didn't happen. And over time, I could see the changes for myself. Skin had sort of acquired a more supple and a more gentle character also. And when my mother arrived in Delhi after their retirement from Assam, Delhi's famous pollution and the hard water began to hit her and impact her face and skin. That's when I got her to try the Mamra almond serum. And that worked like magic on my mother's skin. My mother's in her 60s now, of course. But she felt that the serum had done what no other home remedy had also done for her. Since she's quite good at these home remedies, she felt that the serum had really managed to moisturize slowly aging skin and to bring back the elasticity and suppleness that she actually wanted from it.